Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and in-depth reviews of the latest products. Today, we're going to talk about the best Jet Wave Toothbrush Heads, specifically the genuine Acteh Toothbrush Heads for the Acteh Sonic Edge and Jet Wave models. If you're in search of high-quality toothbrush heads that offer superior cleaning, comfort, and long-lasting use, stay tuned to find out why these replacement heads are worth every penny. The Acteh Toothbrush Heads are designed to provide a deep and thorough clean with their unique wave pattern bristles. These replacement heads are made from soft, durable nylon bristles that are gentle on your gums while effectively removing plaque and food particles. This ensures that every brushing session leaves your teeth feeling clean and your gums healthy. Installing these replacement heads is incredibly simple. You don't need any special tools or expertise. All you have to do is remove the old toothbrush head and attach the new one, and you're good to go. This makes it super convenient for anyone who wants to maintain a high level of oral hygiene without hassle. Each pack comes with 4 replacement heads, which means you won't need to worry about running out for a while. They're made to fit the Acteh Sonic Edge and Jet Wave toothbrush handles, but they're also compatible with other similar models, offering great flexibility. So, whether you're upgrading your current toothbrush or looking for a reliable backup, these heads will do the job perfectly. These toothbrush heads are not just about performance, but also about quality and longevity. The soft, BPA-free bristles are designed to last, providing consistent cleaning power for an extended period, making these heads a cost-effective choice for those who want both quality and value. If you care about your oral health and want a toothbrush head that combines ease of use, effectiveness, and durability, the genuine Acteh Toothbrush Heads are a fantastic option. They offer everything you need for a deeper, cleaner, and more comfortable brushing experience. So, if you're ready to upgrade your toothbrush game, grab your pack today and enjoy the benefits of a top-quality clean with the best Jet Wave Toothbrush Heads. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. See you in the next video.